So the process, we went with a lot of paper was involved. We've had to go paperless now, so we needed something in place for that. Quite a lot of things were missed as well. There's quite a lot of stages in it, so things do get missed. For example, parts don't get ordered, quite expensive parts don't get ordered. And everything's in one place, so we just needed to condense it all, not necessarily make the process shorter, but we needed to make it more streamlined. The customer wants to know why his pump doesn't work, basically. They don't want to just know his seals have failed or anything like that. The customer wants a full report on what parts have been checked, what parts are damaged, why the parts are damaged. Picture evidence, that's quite important to them, and a damage report. They want to know why the pump's not working. They don't just want to fix it, they want to make sure it doesn't happen again. So this is where SmartSight helps us out. We can have a look in depth at different parts of why they're failing and things like that. So. Now we get in maybe 7 or 8 line paragraph detailed as to why it's failed, how it could fail, and obviously the pictures back it up along with the checklists that we provide the customer of individual parts and why they're not performing. It's something new. People don't like new things straight away. They like to try things out. Workshop staff have been absolutely fantastic. We've given them as much support as we possibly can on it. They're not necessarily doing anything different to what they used to be doing, so they've been quite accepting of it. It's just getting used to the technology side of things, really. So SmartSight as a concept has been quite easy to implement. It's just the tablets that they're getting used to. About 9 pages per job, something like that plus. And we only have to print 1 page off now, and that's just so we can keep tabs of physical parts in our work, so yeah, quite a lot.